Hello, friends, welcome to our YouTube channel where we bring you the finest and simplest wooden sofa designs to transform your living space. In this video, we will showcase a variety of easy to build wooden sofa designs that will add warmth and charm to your home decor. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or simply looking for budget friendly options, these wooden sofa designs are perfect for all skill levels. We will provide step by step instruction and essential tips to make the construction process a breeze. From classic and minimalistic design to rustic and modern styles, you will find inspiration to match your taste and preferences. Plus, we've discussed the materials you need to highlight the key features of each design. So, don't miss out on creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your home. Watch our video and discover the simplicity and beauty of these wooden sofa designs. Like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement ideas and inspiration. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take a very good care of yourself. Have a great day. Bye bye.